Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the last video of the series of periodic table. Today I am going to explain lanthanide and actinide series or F block elements called as inner transition element because of their placement in the periodic table due to their electronic configuration. There are 14 elements filling up the F orbitals in each series situated at the bottom of the periodic table. So I think introduction बहुत हो गया है, so let's start with the properties. Before moving to the properties, many questions will arise. Why F block elements are placed separately जबकि D block एलिमेंट को ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट बोला है एंड F block एलिमेंट को इनर ट्रांजिशन बोला है, तो ये दोनों साइड में ही रहना चाहिए थे. मतलब F block एलिमेंट ये D block के साइड में होना चाहिए था. द रीज़न इज़ दैट द F block एलिमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 28 elements which is wide. If we were to put in this atomic number position alongside the transition metals, the periodic table would be too wide and couldn't be able to fit in a standard A4 page or page in an educated book. So 28 elements p orbitals के side में adjust करना is difficult. So that's why the f orbital elements are placed separately at the bottom. As you can see here, the lanthanides are a group of 15 chemical elements or 14 chemical elements with atomic number 57 to 71. As you can see, 57 to 71. Okay. The lanthanide are reactive silver colored metals. As you can see in the picture, they have many scientific or industrial uses. Lanthanides are used in lamps, lasers, magnets, phosphors, X-ray intensifying screens, and they have high melting points and boiling points. They are very reactive and they burn easily in air and they are strong reducing agents. If we compare the size of transition metals and lanthanides, the lanthanides are larger in size than transition metals. The compound of lanthanides are ionic and trivalent, and they have uniform oxidation state of +3, most stable oxidation state they have. Next one is the actinide. So one of the most important properties of actinide is they are radioactive in nature. The elements in this series are highly radioactive. So what is this radioactivity? Wait for a while. Let me complete this in general information, then I will explain what is radioactivity. Because of the radioactivity and heavy metal characteristics, they are considered toxic element. All are unstable and reactive due to atomic number above 83. As you can see, the first element of actinide contain 89 atomic number above 83. Therefore, they are nuclear stable. In these elements, the last electron enters into the 5f orbitals, and the thorium and the uranium are only the naturally occurring, and all the elements are man-made by nuclear reactions. As I have told that actinides are radioactive in nature. So what is this radioactivity? The breaking down of nucleus into smaller particles. If the nucleus get break down, the smaller particles are alpha, beta and gamma particles. Thank you for watching and supporting me. In the further videos, I am going to explain some important questions which will be helpful for the 12th board examination. So stay connected. Thank you.